The Power Wellness and Reliability Monitor, P.W.R.M, is a Python-based utility that helps residential electricity consumers monitor and manage their power consumption. Users input their meter readings and their electricity provider to estimate energy costs. The system uses tiered pricing based on local providers like Meralco, Battelec, and Ormeco. It calculates total electricity costs, compares them with previous bills, and projects the estimated total cost over several months. This helps consumers estimate future expenses and make better financial decisions. The system also evaluates users' electricity consumption levels and offers energy-saving recommendations, promoting responsible electricity use and promoting sustainable living.
We're building a smart electricity monitor that tracks usage, compares bills, predicts costs using real providers' rates, and gives energy-saving tips, promoting efficient use and supporting clean, affordable energy through electronics and computing.
For the methodology, this program helps users understand their electricity usage and cost. The get rate function checks the provider and how much electricity in kilowatts per hour was used, then chooses the correct rate based on usage levels. The power status function gives a simple message, low, moderate, or high, based on how much energy was used. The show reliability tips function gives tips on saving energy, and if usage is over 300 kilowatts per hour, it adds an extra tip. To compare costs, the bill comparison function shows the difference between this month's and last month's bill. The monthly cost estimation function gives an estimate of total cost over a number of months. For user input, get valid float prompt makes sure users enter valid numbers, and get yes or no prompt only accepts yes or no answers. The main function runs the whole program, handles inputs, shows results, and lets users repeat the process if they want.
Our system, the Power Wellness and Reliability Monitor, or P.W.R.M, help users track and manage their electricity usage. Users select their provider, Meralco, Battelec, or Ormeco, and enter meter readings to calculate monthly consumption. It applies realistic tire-based rates to estimate the bills, show whether usage is low, moderate, or high, and compares it with the previous months. It can also forecast future costs and gives personalized energy-saving tips to promote efficient power usage.
The project is implemented using Python programming language, employing basic data structures and control flow mechanisms. It utilizes the standard input-output functionalities for users' interaction. User-friendly interface. The project's command line interface is simple and interactive, allowing users to easily navigate and interpret energy consumption statistics. Realistic and practical utility. The system is designed to imitate genuine energy billing systems and provide users with practical data, making it ideal for residential and business power management.
For flowchart, you start by entering your electricity provider, Meralco, Battelec, or Ormeco. If it's valid, you input your meter readings. The program then finds the rates, calculates your current bill, and lets you estimate costs for future months. Finally, it shows your usage, estimated cost, power status, and reliability tips, and asks if you want to run it again.
So this is the source code. First, define electricity rates. This dictionary holds the tiered electricity rates per kilowatt hour for three providers, which are Meralco, Battelec, Ormeco. Each provider has 4 rates based on consumption levels. Second, create helper functions. Get the rate based on usage. Checks if the provider is valid. Determines the rate based on how much kilowatt hour the user consumed. Returns the correct rate the provider name. Give status message based on usage. Tells the user if their usage is low, moderate, or high. Show energy saving tips. Provides a list of practical tips. Adds an extra tip if the usage is above 300 kilowatt hour. Compare bills. Calculates current and previous bills. Find the difference in costs. Estimate monthly costs. Multiplies kilowatt hour times rate times months to project future costs. Get a valid float from user. Keep asking until the user inputs a valid number. Yes or no checker. It ensures the user only enters yes or no. Step 3, main program flow. Starts a loop So users can run the program multiple times. Get inputs. As for electricity provider must be Meralco, Battelec, or MECO. Resident name, current and previous kilowatt hour, get a rate, and check for error. If provider is invalid, it will show an error and restart the loop. Do calculation. Calculate current and previous bills, difference, estimate future costs, usage status tips. Print receipt. Show all results in a formatted table, provider and usage costs, status, and energy tips. Ask to run again. If user says no, the loop ends and the program exits. Step 4, handle unexpected or errors. Catches and shows any errors that might crash the program. So this is the output. So this output shows that Umia resident used 320 kilowatt-hour, which falls into the highest rate tier for Meralco, 12 pesos kilowatt-hour. The current bill is 3,840, which is 840 higher than previous month's 3,000. The estimated bill for 3 months is 11,520 since usage is high. The program warns the user and gives practical energy saving tips, including an extra tip for high consumption. So that's all. Thank you.